Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jillian Berry and today I'm coming at you right from my bedroom to talk about meditation. Meditation has totally been changing my life lately and I want to share and hopefully inspire you to get started on meditating and give you my top 2 tips to get into meditating and help it flow easily for you. So I'm going to start this video off with a quote from Abraham Hicks. She has inspired me so much through meditating and she has such great works on YouTube if you want to look her up. So she said, meditation just means stop the normal thought to allow the internal thought or the inner being thought. The feeling of detachment is key to knowing you are accomplishing a significant meditation. It helps you understand if there's a gap between your inner being and you. Your inner being is always satisfied. When you're not, there's a gap. Your inner being always loves. When you're not loving, there's a gap. So meditation is a way to close the gap. Essentially, that sums up meditation. For me, meditation has been an amazing tool to quiet the mind and realize you are the observer of your thoughts and not your actual thoughts. So it's so easy in your day-to-day life to get thoughts go into your head and think that's you and feed the thought, get carried away and sort of go down a bad path with those thoughts. So how meditation has helped me and has helped many people is when you quiet your mind through the meditation practice, it helps you observe the thoughts and not feed into them and then go back outside of them. And then you find from the meditation practice in your day-to-day life, you start doing that too. So you start becoming more of an observer of your thoughts and less of someone that's stressed out feeding into those thoughts. So I can't recommend it enough. If you practice this every day, it will start to change your life and it likely will change your life after a short period of time of doing it. I do recommend that you meditate 2 times a day if you're able to, ideally when you first wake up for 10 to 15 minutes and before you go to bed for 10 to 15 minutes. First of all, I want to say your environment when you meditate is super important. So that's why I'm in my bedroom. You want to go to a space where you feel relaxed and happy, safe, secure, and a space that you love and you have no resistance, because it's in that state of non-resistance that you become more in tune with your inner being and attracts you all the good in your life. So now I will share with you my 2 tips for meditating that I absolutely love and I can guarantee they're simple and easy. You will have no trouble getting into these. So number 1 is using a candle for meditating. Candle method is a great method and an easy method for meditating. You'll want to find any candle, doesn't matter what candle, and you will light it to create the flame. And then get in a comfortable spot. So normally I would have pillows down here or blankets and get super comfortable. You can make the room dark. That's what I prefer to do with the candle. And then you just simply stare at the candle flame for say 10, 15, 20 minutes without taking your eye off of it. So I learned this from Aaron Doughty on YouTube and it is an excellent method for meditating and you will feel super calm afterwards as well and find the meditation practice amazing. So like I said, it's super easy. You just stare at the candle flame for 10 to 15 minutes and it's like they say, a wandering eye is a wandering mind. So that's why this method works so well, because you just zone in on the candle flame. So my second method I learned from Abraham Hicks, and this method is absolutely amazing. You'll want to get into your bed or a comfortable place in your home and you'll want to lie down and make the room dark, comfortable, maybe even put on an eye mask. And hopefully in your room you have a light sound that doesn't annoy you, just something that is a neutral sound. For instance, in this room I have my heater or the air conditioner going lightly and you just lay back and you listen to that sound. So you put your focus and your awareness on that sound. And then anytime a thought comes up in your head, again, you try not to feed the thought and go down a tangent with it. But you also don't judge yourself for the thoughts. You just put your attention back to the sound. And put your attention back to the sound. And maybe the first few times you meditate, it might be a bit scrambled and jumbled up and difficult to do. But once you do it daily, I do recommend you do the practice daily. You will get into it and it'll be super effective and super life-changing for your day-to-day life. Yeah, so that's everything. If you have any other tips you can add, because I am still learning with meditating and I'm sure there's other methods I could use that would be amazing. Please do put them in the comments below. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos about health, wellness, and spirituality. And I will see you next time. Bye.